So another great tool which I always like to use, it's called Pin Sniper. It allows you to find the most popular pins based on your keywords. So I will demonstrate you how it works. Just click on it, enter your keyword, let's say macrame, and let's sort it by likes, and let's see what are the most popular pins. As you can see, this one has 8,000 repins, that one has 11,000. You see how it works. This one has 2k repins. So this tool allows you to find the most popular content based on your keyword. It's very helpful if you are lacking of ideas what type of content might be popular on Pinterest. And I always like to use this tool for a very simple but actually very popular content creation. So what I usually do is I find the most popular, the most repinned pins, and I just make a list of them, download them, and make a blog post with the most popular pins. Let's say the most popular pins in 2019, top 20 popular pins in 2019. So I would make a pin, of course I would make a vertical pin with some text on it. So let's say the most awesome pins in 2019, the most awesome macrame pins in 2019. So this type of content is very popular in Pinterest and it does really well. So this tool is free, you will not need to pay for it. Just Google it, Social Pin Sniper. So it's very easy to use, but it's very useful. Also I like to use to find, like I said, the most popular pins. And sometimes I post these photos of these pins in my other social media platforms. Since I know these photos are doing really well on Pinterest, that means these photos are going to do well on other social media platforms as well. This is a very simple tool, but it has helped me a lot with creating viral photos, viral videos, and all other sorts of content. So I definitely recommend it for you. Just try it out. And also, once you find very popular pins, you just can add them to your boards. This way basically you will have boards with the most popular content on Pinterest. That's just amazing.